Welcome back. Making an update video on the Dodger. I don't have my camera here, so I'll use my phone. So I'm making progress. I have the front panel and I cut out the plastic windshield for it. So basically what I need to do is install it on the inside surface of the front panel, and then we'll cut it out after the glass is sewn in. And I did this a little differently than the first time. This is the edge of the windshield here, but I kept the glass going all the way down because this is where it attaches to the boat. And last time it got a little funny. So the original Dodger had it going all the way to the edge, so I'm going to copy that. And then I cut it at the edge, the top. And the same thing on the bottom. I cut it a little long to give it some rigidity. And basically I'm going to take the binding and put it all the way around the glass where it's going to be cut out. And then I'm going to sew it on. And this is all stuck with double-sided seam stick tape. So that's stuck down. I'll continue to go all the way around. Then we'll sew the outer edge. And then we'll flip it. And then we'll cut out the glass. We'll cut out this umbrella and then fold the edge in. And then once we fold the edge in, then we'll sew this last edge to make a finished edge on the outside. And then the front panel will be done. Then I can marry it to the top panel. So, like I said, I just wanted to give you a quick update. And that's about it. So I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.